Hello everybody, I hope you're having a good day. We're almost halfway through October, and I'm still doing some autumn art. This is a pumpkin field that I did, or a pumpkin display. We used to have pumpkin displays in our yard a lot back in Pennsylvania with real pumpkins, and instead of putting an R on this painting, I signed it with Mom, because this is mostly for my kids. So I thought I would just do that as a special touch. And then I did a bunch of pumpkins here, a little motif. And I used a gold pen, which I'll show you in a minute, to get some of the highlights on the pumpkins and the vine. And then I did a amber maple leaf. And then this is a bunch of dried flowers. These used to be very popular in the 70s, where people would gather dried flowers and press them, and sometimes just copy them into a painting. And I thought I would do that on a dark burgundy background, and I like the way it came out. This is kind of a tester, because I'm going to be doing larger floral pictures like this in the future. And then the last one I have here is a pumpkin with a couple of comical crows on it. I like to do some animated pictures. Sometimes I do cartoons and some humorous greeting cards just for fun to send to family and friends. And here I decided to do crows on the pumpkin. Okay, let me show you this pen that I'm talking about. Okay, this is a DecoColor pen. Excuse me. And these are a liquid highlighting pen that you can use for your art. I'll show you what it looks like with the cap off. And they're very different. They're very liquid. And when you paint, they almost come out like gold leaf or gold flake, they used to call it, where it's just very metallic, makes a metallic coating, and it's flat and smooth. And I'm really enjoying experimenting with this and using this on my artwork. Let's see if I can. I'm going to try to show you the effect of how it makes some of the pumpkin glow a little bit. And on this one, it just makes it real shiny and makes it stand out. They take a little bit of getting used to, because the liquid tends to come out a little faster than you would expect on other types of pens. It's different than using a Sharpie type of metallic marker, so you might want to just practice a little bit before you apply any to a painting. This is what I have so far, and I still want to do a large floral that I hope to get done before it's time to start on Christmas. So thank you for being here today and watching this video, and I hope to see you again. Bye for now.